Minor Basilica of St. Dominic. And here we have Father Mar. Hi,
Hi.
Father Mar.
Hi, everybody. Hi.
So, Father, tell us the story of this basilica.
Welcome to the Minor Basilica of St. Dominic. This is the only minor basilica under the patronage of St. Dominic in Asia, and it is the 5th in the world. There are 21 minor basilicas in the Philippines. So this is St. Dominic. This is the replica of the main image of the basilica. And St. Dominic is one of the greatest saints in the church. He founded the order of preachers, and we call them the Dominicans. And this is St. Dominic. We are going to the back, and you will see a relic of St. Dominic.
O light of the church, teacher of truth, rose of patience, ivory of chastity, you freely poured forth the waters of wisdom. Preacher of grace, unite us with the blessed.
So this is the basilica now. It was built in 1700s, and in 1773, it was finished. So it's 2023 now. So it's 250 years old.